Hello, I'm Johan Rhys-Evans and I'm your AberSU Student Union President. My role is basically to lead the student movement here in AberSU, to make sure that nationally, locally and within the university that your voice is heard, making sure that your points you have problems with are heard and basically changed. More importantly, I'm here to make sure the union is the best it can be for you.
My name is Grace and I'm the Education Officer for this academic year. My role involves representing students on pretty much anything academic, so I sit on a lot of university meetings and make sure that the student voice is really being listened to. So if there's anything that you really do think I should be saying to the university, then come and tell me.
My name's Laura Dickens and I am your Welfare Officer. My role involves everything welfare, so be it from your housing needs, to your social needs, or to just giving you a hug and a cup of tea.
Hi, I'm Liv and I'm your Activities Officer this year. We have almost 200 sports and societies here in AberSU. My job is to ensure the smooth running of each sports and society.
My name is Mara Divan and I'm your IMCA President and Welsh Affairs Officer this year. As IMCA President, I will be representing Welsh speakers and students across the university and securing fairness for the Welsh language in every aspect of university life.
As President, I say to get in touch with me for any one of your reasons.
Students mostly come and see me because something's gone wrong. What I can do is signpost you to someone that might be able to help you, advise you on how to navigate university procedures, because they can be quite confusing. They can also come to me if they think I should be running a campaign, there's something they don't think I'm aware of or should be aware of, or they want to change something. I could hopefully help you make some change to do with your academic experience here at AberSU.
Students are get in touch and come and see me because I've been there. I've been through the system, I've been through hardships, and I will listen and I will help you and I will lobby for you.
Most importantly, you should get in touch, even if it has nothing to do with setting up a sports club or a society. Just come in for a chat if you need any help.
Well, I'm here to help you and to make your student experience the best experience possible. So if you want to come in for a chat or if you have a problem, big or small, I'll be here to make sure that we listen to your voice.